Hello,
Hello,
where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
Oh, I'm calling from India.
You're from India.
Yes, yes.
Oh, cool. Um, which city do you live in?
In the for in the Maharashtra in the Ahmednagar street.
Oh, I don't think I've heard of that.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Jake.
Okay.
And you?
My name is Sagar.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And please tell me about for the Jack. What do you do job or any work?
This right now this is my job, gambling.
Okay. You are a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Okay. And please tell me something about the English improving. What do you instead of because the English is very important language. And what would you suggest for my English? You
Oh, I always tell people learn vocabulary words and
okay?
then um a lot of people like to watch American movies and they learn English through watching American movies.
Okay. And what the in the Americans that English language and for British language is very different to accent as well as they are to using so many vocabularies also is very different type of this mode and this is the way to speaking. How to that this is to handle these situations like American as well as British.
Well, which one do you like more?
I think I don't know my accent is American or British. You can recognize what's my accent. I don't know about for that.
Oh, a lot of Indian people they end up with a little bit of a British accent
I
because I
think
guess because England has a strong influence on India.
mhm. I think in the my angle is also that British accent is so many because the it's very for speaking it's very that like for British accent.
Yeah, a lot of people love British accents, but also there's a lot of people that want to have an American accent. So I'm not sure.
Yes, yes. Please, what there in the climate in the American now?
Actually, I live in Thailand right now. So where I live, it's pretty hot. It's 31 today.
Oh, it's 31.
Yeah. How about for
Okay.
you?
It's in here, it's not just about for very hot, it's a middle bit between the it's cool, it's warm, I think.
It's warm. What is the temperature?
Temperature in here up to the 25, up to the in between.
25. 25 sounds nice. I don't like hot weather. I like cold weather
Okay.
or in the middle. Um, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, yes. I think of the learning of the new things and whatever with that I want to for seeing movies and different American also, for Harry Potter is also and so many different just recognizes it and other is also like for thinking a new different way to speaking of the other conversations people's it's nicely think.
Yeah, those are good hobbies. I
Hmm.
really like watching movies.
Because they are supposed to for watching movies is also to our mind to capture for new vocabulary and imaginations to already front this is too easy way to capture out